Everybody, we're gonna do whoopie pies. The first thing you need is a cup of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar. You're gonna put that in the mixer and whip it up till it's all mixed together and fluffy. And preheat your oven to 350. And you need 4 eggs and put them in one at a time, mix it, put in another one, mix it, etc. And scrape your bowl halfway through. Once that's all mixed up, put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in and mix that up. Okay, now we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we need a cup of cocoa. Then 2 teaspoons of salt. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And a whisk. Mix it all together. Okay, then you're gonna need a cup of milk. And alternating with the milk and your dry ingredients, put it in your mixer and mix it up. Scrape your bowl halfway through and I'll be back. Okay, I lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Here's your dough. With a tablespoon, drop them on. About 2 inches apart. And these are gonna cook for 10 to 12 minutes. And I'll be back when this first batch is done. Okay, my buzzer just went off. Take your first batch out and put your second batch in. And just keep doing that till all the cookies are done. Don't forget to set your timer. And I just let these sit for a few minutes and then I put them on a cookie rack. Okay, now we're gonna make the filling. The first thing you need is to whip up an egg white. Okay, you want them stiff. Then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And whip that up some. Okay, Okay, then you're gonna sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. And mix that up. And then 2 teaspoons of milk. And mix that up. Okay, then you're gonna need 2 cups of confectionery sugar and add that in and mix it. And scrape your sides a little. Okay, now you're gonna add 3/4 cup of Crisco solid oil and whip it for a minute or 2 on high. Get it really fluffy. Be sure you scrape your bowl 1 time. And then continue beating for about another minute. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like. And what you're gonna do is just scoop some on one side of your cookie and put another cookie on top. Okay, and here's your whoopie pie. Just press it down just a little, then wrap these in plastic, and you can put them in the refrigerator up to 3 days, or just put them in your freezer. And there's your whoopie pie. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll be back tomorrow with something else new.